It starts small: an assessment you forgot to mark, a reminder email you never sent, a compliance report you built from scratch, again. But over time, manual admin doesn't just drain energy, it drains your RTO's performance, team morale, and yes, even profits. Manual processes create bottlenecks no one sees coming. You lose time to duplication, corrections, late follow-ups, and missed communication. And it doesn't just cost hours, it chips away at your learner experience and compliance confidence. If you're still manually sending reminders, entering marks, or chasing paperwork, you're not running a training organization, you're running a paper trail. Here's the fix: streamline the entire lifecycle of your training, not just one part. Automated workflows don't just save time, they protect consistency. With the right system, every submission triggers the next step. Notifications, trainer views, feedback windows, all done without thinking twice. No more forgotten tasks, no more inbox chaos. When conversations live in 10 different places, email, chat, docs, spreadsheets, things fall through the cracks. Centralized communication keeps feedback, updates, and evidence in one thread, right where it belongs. Forget digging through folders to prove compliance. Smart systems track everything: feedback given, submissions received, who accessed what, and when. Audit trails are no longer a task, they're a byproduct of good design. When you cut manual admin, you don't just get time back, you get room to innovate. That's when your RTO shifts from survival mode to momentum. Manual admin may be part of your past, but it doesn't have to be your future. Automate the repetitive, streamline the complex, and finally get back to what you're best at: training.